big winners in the midst of those talks right now as Apple hits a new all-time record high. And Josh Lipton is in San Francisco with more. Josh.
So Morgan, tech has been the place to be for investors this year. That sector has surged more than 30% now, the best performing sector by a long shot. Take a look at the chips, specifically the SMH, the ETF that tracks the chips, in the green this morning. It has now surged 40% this year, now approaching its all-time high of 123.56. The semis move on trade headlines, and for good reason. China is an important end market for these companies and vital linchpin in their supply chains. Qualcomm, Micron, Qorvo, Broadcom, and Texas Instruments all get roughly 40 to 60% of their revenues in China. Optimism is now rising that a U.S.-China trade deal is coming. As part of that deal, the Trump administration reportedly plans to allow the sale of some supplies to Huawei. Back in May, remember, administration restricted sales to the Chinese tech giant, citing concerns about national security. That's important. Susquehanna's Chris Rowland estimates that Huawei spent more than $10 billion last year alone on U.S. semiconductor components. Another tech company sensitive to trade headlines, Apple, hitting a new all-time high this morning and now up nearly 50% this year. China accounts for an estimated 12% of revenues for the iPhone maker and critical part of its massive supply chain where millions of Chinese work to assemble the company's products.